Now today we'll learn the rule number 3. What is the rule number 3? Rule 3. So in rule 3, what I have to do, if m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is such that the ratio dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, and this divide by m is a function of y only, then you can say that e raised to integration of g of y and dy is an integrating factor, integrating factor. Okay, this is simply rule number 3. So what I have to do in this case, so if you have given this type of differential equation, that is m dx plus n dy equal to 0, then we have to find out the ratio, this ratio, and before that we first show whether the given differential equation is exact or not. If not, then we find this ratio, and this ratio is what? Only a function of y. There will be no terms of x. So if I integrate this exponential function e raised to integration of g of y dy, then this expression is known as what? Integrating factor. Let us do problem based on this, then you will understand this concept very easily. So example number 1. Solve the differential equation, that is what? 3x square y raised to 4 plus 2xy dx, and plus we write 2x cube y cube minus x square dy equal to 0. We have to solve this differential equation. Okay, so for this what I have to do, we write the solution and we first copy the given differential equation. For the given differential equation, so given differential equation, what is that? 3x square y raised to 4 and plus 2xy and dx plus 2x cube y cube minus x square dy equal to 0. This is given to you, and name this equation number, we name this equation number star. Okay, now comparing the given differential equation with standard form. So comparing this with standard form, that is what? M dx plus n dy equal to 0. We get what? M equal to 3x square y raised to 4 and plus 2xy, and n equal to what? 2x cube y cube minus x square. Okay, now what have to do? We just find out the derivative. We find out the partial derivative of m and n. So let us find the partial derivative of m. Partial derivative of m. We differentiating m partially with respect to what? Y. So dou m by dou y equal to what? So just differentiate this. So we differentiating with respect to y. So x will be constant. So we will get 12 x square y cube, okay, and plus I'm treating 2x as a common, so this become what? 2x, okay. Now similarly we differentiate n partially with respect to x, so this gives, here y will be constant, this gives dou n by dou x equal to, so y cube is constant, so this gives 3 to the 6 x square y cube minus 2x, okay, 6x square y cube minus 2x, okay. So from these two we can observe that, dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore we can say that the given differential equation is not exact. The given differential equation is not exact. If the differential equation is not exact, then what have to do? Patak, others? What have to do? If the given differential equation is not exact, then we will find the we will find the integrating factor. For that, we will first find the ratio. So now to find integrating factor, IF, okay. So for that we will first find the ratio. What is the ratio? Big ratio, dou m by dou x minus dou m by dou y and divide by m, and this equal to dou n by dou x. What is that? 6x square y cube minus 2x, okay, then minus of this factor, that is what? Dou m by dou y. What is that? Minus 12x square y cube and minus 2x and divide by m. What is the m? M is this one. That is what? 3x square y to the power 4 and plus 2xy. Just solve this. I am solving this. So simplify this. 6x square y cube and minus 12x square y cube. This become what? Negative of 6x square
minus 6x cube
y cube minus 4 times of minus 2x minus 4 times of x and divide by what? Divide by this much. So that is 3x square y to the power 4 and plus 2xy. Okay, now just simplify this. Minus 2 बाहर निकालते हैं. Let us minus 2 I'm taking outside. So what is the remaining here? 3x square y cube and minus get plus here
plus 2x.
Okay, no problem. Now from this you can take
और से
y.
y कॉमन ले लो आप.
You take only y common. So I am taking y. So 3x square y to the power 3. Y to the power 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Y to the power 3 and plus 2x. Okay. See this factor will cancel. So only remaining term is what? Minus 2 by y. Okay. Which is what?
Minus
Which
2 by
is
y.
only function of y. Okay. So say this
Function of y
function.
only.
Say this is what? Function of y. That is what? Say g of y. Okay. Now our job is to find out the integrating factor. Okay. Now let us move to the next page. Now integrating factor if is equal to what? E raised to integration of g of y and dy, and this equal to e raised to integration of g of y is what? Minus 2 by y and dy, and this equal to e raised to minus 2. I am taking outside integration of 1 by y dy. So this can be written as e raised to minus 2. What is the integration of 1 by y? That is
log y.
log y.
of y.
Okay. Now this can be written as e to the power
raised to
log of
Log y.
Log of y
minus 2. Okay.
2.
Or yes,
1 upon
this
y
can
square.
be written as what? E raised to log of 1 by y square.
Y.
So this simply can be right. This can be written as what? Simply 1 upon y square.
Y
Yes. So 1 upon y square is a integrating factor. Okay. Now multiply by this integrating factor. Multiply by this integrating factor. That is what? 1 upon y square in equation number what? In equation number star. Okay. We get what? 1 upon y square. Your first term is what? Your first term is 3x square. 3x square y to the power 4
y cube plus
plus
2xy
2xy.
dx
plus 2xy and dx.
dx
And plus second term, your second term is 1
2x
upon y square
y square
multiply by 2x
cube
cube
y
y
cube
cube minus
minus
of
x square
x square
dy
dy
is equal to 0.
equal to 0. Okay. And which will be exact? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which will be exact? Which will be exact? There is no need to show it is exact or not. Okay. So it will automatically exact. Now comparing this with standard form. Comparing this with standard form with what? Standard form. What is the standard form? M dash dx plus n dash dy equal to 0. We get m dash is what? M dash equal to first term, that is 1 upon
3x square
1 upon just write down 1 upon y square into 3x square y to the power 4 and plus 2xy. Okay, so we just simplify this equal to what? This equal to multiply this.
Oh, 3x
So
square,
1y,
y square,
हाँ,
3x
so
y square
3x
plus 2x
square
1 by y.
and y square will be cancelled, so become what?
Y square
Y square
Y square and
plus
plus
2x
plus
2
2x by
x,
y.
हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
Y.
y आएगा.
1 by y
Yes, by y.
upon y.
Getting? Yes. Now n dash. N dash will be what? Your n dash will be 1 upon y square into
2x cube y.
x cube y cube minus x square. Okay. Now just simplify this again. So you will get
2x
2x
cube y
2x cube y minus x
Y
square
minus
by y
x
square.
by y square.
Yes, s square by y square. Okay. Now our job is to find the solution. Therefore, the general solution is given by. Therefore, the general solution is given by. What is the general solution? Integration of
M dash dx.
m dash dx by treating y constant. Okay, and plus integrate n dash dy equal to c, where c is the integrating constant. I'm integrating n dash by taking terms in n free from x. Terms in n dash free from
X.
x. Okay, चलिए इंटीग्रेट करो. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ m dash. What is the m dash? Write down 3x square y square and plus 2x by y and dx. Okay, and plus integration terms in n dash free from x. There is no such term. Yes, there is no such term. 0. Yes, this is equal to c. Now just integrate it. So after integration, so what is the common here? 3y square. 3y square is common. So we have only x square. Okay, x square dx and plus here 2 by y is constant. Sorry, this is the constant term. 3y square is constant term. So I am integrating with respect to x. So this is 2 by y is constant term. Integrate x dx and plus 0 and equal to c. So if you integrating, so this gives what? Y square and x cube. X cube, because divide by 3 and 3 cancel. Okay, x cube y square and plus
X square by y.
yeah, x square by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Only term is what?
1.
x square by y, and which is equal to what? C. Okay, so which is required general solution of given differential equation. You just you can also by doing cross multiplication, and again one step is there. So you will get x cube y cube plus x square equal to yc as a general solution. We just write here which is required general solution, which is require general solution of given differential equation. Okay, very simple with this. I hope you understood this. Well, if you're getting this much, how to solve this type of problem?
Yes, sir.
Now let us go to the next.
सर
बोलो.
सर वो लास्ट का जो आपने इंटीग्रेशन किया वो समझाओ नहीं.
ये वाला, this one.
हाँ सर.
Okay, see here.
Yes sir.
See here, I am integrating with respect to x, so y will be constant. Okay, so 3y square I am taking outside. This is the constant. So this become what? Integration of x square only with respect to x. Okay, now the second term 2 by y is a constant because we integrating with respect to x. Now only remaining term is x. Now integrate this. So I am integrating x square So this become x cube by 3, but 3 is already over here. So 3 and 3 cancel. So this become y square into x cube, and plus here. So if you integrating x, so you will get x square by 2, and 2 divided by 2 means cancel. So only term is what? X square by y equal to c, where c the integrating constant. You understood this?
यस सर.
Yes.
So, हम लोग को पता कैसे चलेगा कि कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, कौन सा
कौन
यूज
सा?
करना है?
ओके, हाँ, मुझे पता था क्वेश्चन आपको आएगा दिमाग में. Sir, what I have to do in this case? So we first of all, you should check whether the given differential equation is exact or not. Okay, आपको यहाँ तक तो करना ही है. Then after that, if the given differential equation is not exact, then what I have to do? You just observe whether the differential equation is homogeneous or not. If homogeneous, then apply the homogeneous integrating factor. If it is not homogeneous, then observe whether it is the product of the function xy. If not, then move to the next step. So find the ratio. Whether ratio is function of x and function of x, then your integrating factor is e raised to integration of f of x dx. If it is not function of x, then your fourth method will be applied. Getting? Yes or no?
यस सर, मतलब सर हम लोग को अगर ये से सब में पहले चेक भी कर सकते थे ना
हाँ.
कि ये एफ ऑफ एक्स है कि नहीं.
Yes.
अगर नहीं है तो फिर एफ ऑफ
हाँ,
वाई
yes,
लगा
yes.
दो.
पहले x वाला अप्लाई करोगे तो x वाला नहीं होगा तो आपको y वाला अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द रूल नंबर 4. This is rule number 4. 2, 3 we already did. Okay. So your exact differential equation is finished.